Why did I do Mike Browne's Photography Ultra Beginners course? Well, as a novice and a beginner in photography, I thought I needed some help. So I went onto YouTube, looked for tips and advice for beginners, and I kept coming across Mike's video clips. At the end of his clip, he would promote his Ultra Beginners course. And I thought to myself, I could do with that, but I was a little bit reluctant due to the time element. So I emailed him and he said, you can do it at your own pace. If you don't finish a session for that week, you can roll it over until you are ready to start the next one. I thought, yeah, that's definitely what I need. I did the course and now I'm constantly thinking about composition, light, focal length and all the things that I mentioned in the course. I'm very pleased with the way Mike conducts his courses and his advice and training. Very down to earth fella. So I do encourage you, if you're looking for that, sign up for it. I think my photography has improved 100%. I'm constantly now, as I said earlier on, thinking about light and composition and all the elements of photography. Bye for now.